Hello everyone, my name is Andrea, and tonight I'm going to talk about social responsibility. Social responsibility begins and appears on our society in the earliest of 1999. Why appears in this specific year? It's because of the range of capitalism and high consume in everywhere. Um, so this is the the main factor um, that may proceed social responsibility in our minds as customers and in our minds as part of a company or like owner of the company. So the capitalism, let's say, starts a new era and a new time in our lives. So when this happened, uh, the business and many companies start to explode the environmental and nature and also humans. Why? About because exist um, some labor structures that doesn't really function in actuality, and many disorganization and disorder in our society too. So social responsibility, for had a clear concept, is the commitment of the all components of the society. It means that nature, the employer, the owner, and the different stakeholders of a company has to contribute and increase between them to farewell the local and global society. So, if I had a company that explodes oil, I have to take care about how can how can or how can't I explode oil, and how many people that I have to reorganize and travel for get the oil, and oh, how I'm going to to handle this for not uh, for not make any damage in the environmental way and in the social way. So Francisco Garcia gives us this important concept for for us to know what is social responsibility. But why social responsibility? Why this is important for me and for all my stakeholders, that in this case are my publics, and how this norm and these rules care for the people, my people, and all the society. Because what is important here is like to find this interrelationship of all the agents that operates society. In in the in the example that I gave you before, it explains how can this rule work. Um, Also, it comes with a major um, emphasis in the application in large multinationals, because what we know, what companies or multinationals want, and let's say they always trying to get these advantages, and let's say earn more money. So social responsibility plays a major role in the marketing of multinationals, because social responsibility plan, and it's a commitment with standards of business conduct. So uh, I can kill animals, I can uh, drop out many trees, or contaminate water, because because to win money. So this is how it works inside a company. And like I said, the rules of social responsibility are focused on minimizing environmental social impacts. So that's also really important for us in these days, actually. Why is important? As I said, it is important for the owner of the company, the employer of the company, and the people that have had contact for many reasons with companies. So let's say um, Coca-Cola had stakeholders um, that collects these plastic bottles that they use to revert or sold their products, and take care of these people because they had like special plastic, um, let's say like trash cans for them, and they can collect plastic bottles easier, in an easier way than just search in garbage, you know, because when you hadn't, or you just don't recycle your garbage, they cut their hands, and they can contaminate with a lot of diseases, and it's a damage for them. So in this case, as an example, Coca-Cola makes these trash cans, especially when they can collect these plastic bottles. So anyways, in the company's idea is to win money at any cost. So social responsibility also improves your economical and social um, statistics, because when you start to take care about the whole process of your company, you understand, and you start to increase in many ways. So in communicational ways, in image ways, and also in responsibility ways. So as I said at the beginning, this norm or statement gives the employer rights, as a working condition, and also support and protection of human abuse. In this case, it's very important because uh, social responsibility works to eliminate the child labor that is very important in our society, racial and gender discrimination, and also works against the also I say the damage of environment. So as we can see, it covers all like the whole circle of what is having a company, and how to handle with all their publics, and also our environment. And this is a system, a kind of system that it was created for everyone can win. So in this slide, I made and I put here three biggest companies and multinationals here in Ecuador that contribute and applied social responsibility with education programs and taking care about their clients, and recycling also. For example, Supermaxi used the eco bags, and Banco de Guayaquil made this bank called Banco del Barrio, that is analyze and form for the the clients that are kind of let's say so far of the city bank, then they can go to the closest store and have some cash. So it's very important in here to have these examples. So this is what it is social responsibility, why it is important, and some of the let's say the winning parts of this norm and this new rule that it's kind of new and it's very efficient for your company and with the society.